Tried so hard to let go, writing poetry and rhymes just to get you off my mind.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry, like my voice might be quite low. Let me just find somewhere to drop this camera real quick. Okay, so first of all, I apologize for all the noise in the background, but like sorry, I do not have the strength to put on my mic and all that. I'm actually getting ready for work. I've been sick since Saturday. Today's Wednesday. I've been very sick. Malaria and typhoid. Mama, not your mate, bro. I can get injections and drips for the typhoid because you know typhoid doesn't go away that easily, and with the way I feel, because I still feel pain in my bones and stuff like that, and I have reduced. I don't know if you guys can see me. Like, I have lost the small weight I was managing to gather before. So now, I just want to go to work today. I've not been to work Monday, Tuesday, and not like there's a lot of work waiting for me, but like, I have to go, man. So this week is going to be quite eventful. I told you guys in my last video, and by the way, I'm sorry for not dropping a video on Wednesday. I was sick, obviously. So I told you guys in my previous video that I joined a contest online, and yeah, I made it to the first stage, which is the Big 40. It was a selection kind of thing. So I made it to the Big 40. The contest is starting really soon, so we are having a photo shoot this weekend. Yeah, we're having a photo shoot this weekend, so I'm going to make my hair maybe today. So this vlog is going to contain all that, me making my hair, and I'm going to show you guys what the shoot is like, and I'll give more details about the contest later. I don't know how the voting process and all that is going to go, if there's even a voting process, because it's a creative contest. So like, when I find out all that, if I find out before the end of this video, I would let you guys know. Look, I don't know if I'm even fit to go to work like this, but I don't have a choice, man. I have a choice. See all my drugs. My donut is finished. This one is for blood, ferroglobin. Like, I've not been taking it very regularly, and I should, because like my blood levels dropped a lot. Sharp. I think I have some banana here, so I'll probably eat this and granite or something else. Okay, maybe I would burn chicken probably and get jollof rice, but I'm not sure, because to be honest, I don't think I have appetite for that. But whatever, I have to eat something to be able to take my drugs. So anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy another vlog from your favorite YouTuber. And please subscribe and leave a like button on my, what the fuck did I just say? Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, because that helps me a lot. And you know, I'm kind of behind on achieving my target for 1,000 subs, so please, if you're watching this video, just subscribe, okay? It costs nothing, please. What is up? Hey guys, so I am about to go make my hair now. I'm really sorry about the noise. God, my face is so wrong. I'm taking you guys with me, so let's just go. I can't really say much because I'm actually getting better. I don't know if that's any different. Well, I've lost a lot of weight. I'm trying to gain back the weight because my face is so rough. I believe with time I'll get back. I have met a lot of amazing ladies. Oh my god, it's a celebrity TikToker. I recognize you anywhere. How will I know?
Noise makers.
So we're currently waiting to get our makeup done for the photo shoot. And I'm a bit scared because my face is so rough. Okay. I should get my makeup done soon. I'm about to transform. I want to change into the shirt I was wearing. Let me show you guys the shirt. I was actually wearing it and I was not recording.
Oh, you do well.
So, yeah, activate my Insta.
Head. Your head. Because I don't like your down. My question is your head. But anyway, if you're good enough, you actually know how to. I had my stylist enough person to style me. I think that's a good video on this. Yeah. Diana went now. She went. That went to see. Like the next she started to go down.
When we meet celebrities, period. Guys, meet the transition queen. What's be natural on Instagram. I'll put your hand on it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'll follow you. And I'm a celebrity TikToker.
And our celebrity TikToker, please. 30,000. Who can build easy? Oh, easy. Doing TikTok for 2 years. Hi guys, welcome back to her channel.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Her channel, which is my channel for today.
Okay.
Anyways, how you guys doing?
She has taken over my channel.
This is V Naturals. Please
I should be. You guys already know me now.
subscribe to my channel. Please leave my channel.
I will link her channel in the description box.
I do have a channel. I don't know the names.
Hi, my name is Jane. I'm an actor.
Wahala. Hi, her name is, what's her name?
Monita.
Hi, Monita. J. Our fashion.
Billionaire fashion designer.
This is our celebrity on Instagram. Do you guys know her? One of our reels went viral one time.
Hi, welcome back. You guys should channel. You guys should say I am ready to be activated. 1, 2, go! I am ready to be activated.
tried so hard to let go, writing poetry and rhymes just to get you off my mind. It's either yes or it's no. I'm not a yo-yo on a string that you flip and twist and swing. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, second guessing your words, 'cause you choke right when I
Okay, we're done with my
see
makeup,
that you're all
and I love it.
need.
I've not done my makeup like this for a long
If I'm
time.
honest, I know
I've not had anybody do my makeup
this whole
yet.
thing has been
This
a
one,
sign that I'm running
love it.
out of time.
I look good.
You know, that is fact.
I'm not ready. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready.
Hey guys, so I am back home. I am so freaking tired right now. I'm so tired, and my AC is being so slow. But anyways, to pick up soon. I'm kind of feeling heat. Today was fun. It was really fun. I met a lot of amazing people, you know, content creators, TikTok celebs, and you know, very pretty ladies. And I'm so glad that, you know, there's so much I have to learn from each and every person I met today, and from this competition. And we were also given hair we're going to use for the contest. Let me show you guys. So we're giving all these hairs. I'm going to like open it up now. Let's see how many is inside. Okay, so much of darling extensions. Wow, these people are lifesavers. Like, do you know how much this costs in the market now? More mad though. Oh, I love this color so much. I love this color. So I think we have 2 of each colors. So much attachments, different colors. So pretty, like so pretty. Blue, green. So we got hair from both Darling and Expression. Nice. Okay, just gonna lay them out here. Extension for days. Hey, we are going to so create. Sorry about that. So we also got an Expression t-shirt and style book. Much needed. I love this. Still going to use this. And this, yeah, a notepad, this, and a pen. And yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so I'm just going to finish up here and like arrange all this stuff, and of course that's planning you know, videos I'm gonna make and stuff. But like, the competition has not started. I hate it when airplanes pass over my house. I just hate the sound. Anyways, yeah, that's it. I am extremely tired. All I want to do right now is rest. Okay, so I'm just going to clean up my house. You guys know I've been sick, so like it's the weekend, I need to clean up my house. I'm just going to do the little I can do. I feel stronger now, by the way. You guys can see, though it's like still in my voice, but like I feel much better, and I hope that this new week I'm going to be able to recover all the weight that I've lost. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video and share this video to your friends, and also be ready to support me when the competition starts. That if it has not started by the time I post this video, be ready to support me. Okay, I think I'm going to need you guys to vote. Yeah, there's going to be voting, so I'm going to need you guys to vote for me and to like give me support and ideas if possible. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.